Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I'm down here cleaning up a few tools. Needle nose pliers, that kind of thing. And I have this, which is a Cotter pin puller, or a pin puller. I picked it up at a flea market because I needed a Cotter pin puller. I was trying to pull some Cotter pins out of the lawnmower deck, and I thought, yeah, that'd be handy to have. Well, my problem is this is a nice Craftsman handle, but Craftsman has this problem with this kind of crappy white junk on the screwdriver handle. And I found that you can clean it off pretty easily. So let's make this one look better. Yep, crud cutter. And Meguiar's Mirror Glaze Swirl Remover 2.0. all the scales off. Let's give this a shot with the... Always want to have the face shield on. Those little wires coming out flying into your face are never fun. Nowhere near as nice as the rest of the Craftsman. This one's a little yellow. I don't know. That seems to go quite deep in there. But looks a lot better than it did. Scales off. Got some nice wax on it. Took the rust off the shank on it. Looks pretty good. This one, that's brilliant. That's very nice. This is a scratch awl. And this is a Cotter pin puller. Very similar in most aspects, but that hook in there makes a big difference. This is a Phillips Craftsman number 2 Phillips, number 41295 WF. And this one, this is kind of a cool one. And this is a Craftsman patent applied for screw holding screwdriver. Got a special little catch on it. You clip the screw in, get it started, and you just push this and pull the screwdriver out and drive it in with a regular screwdriver. You don't want to mess this one up. A regular screwdriver you can just go ahead and resharpen. This one's kind of a bear to get to. So it's better off just using this to get the first few threads started so that you can get it going, and then use a standard screwdriver to pull it in the rest of the way. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. It's always nice to have clean tools.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.